Sanibonani, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for tuning to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu for joining me. So now on this video ngizothanda sikhulume ngoGogo's Cotton. Ngiboreke kabi you guys mangifike emsebenzini ngibona ba-upload labo owami Umnkosi Entertainment bakhuluma ukuthi uGogo's Cotton ubepostile la ka Instagram stories ngathi hawu yimi lawyer siqeda kuba busy ngendaba kalachoncha nangu uGogo's Cotton gijime ngiyeka Instagram stories ngiya ku page yaka Gogo's Cotton ngifike hawu awukhoma stories. What happened? Because ngiyayifuna leyo ndaba uthi kweze njalo uGogo's Cotton bafethu ngiyayifuna indaba kaGogo's Cotton. Guys, do you remember uGogo's Cotton wake wathi yena uhlukene noMonde umyeni wakhe lo uMonde Shange? We know ukuthi she's been married or are they still married abaka divorce? Okay, wathi yena uGogo's Cotton mebuya la wathi yena I've been single for 6 months and people still think I am in a relationship, maybe because my breakup with my ex was a matured one. Sonke sathi hawu uGogo's Cotton senhlukene noMonde njani mdaka baba nihlukaniswa yini? I was so confused ngaleso sikhathi you guys ngathi hayi Gogo's Cotton wena uyadlala inkinga yakudlala ngomshado wakho manje angeke ukuthi ushadile bese wena mawufuna attention chasing cloud usebenzisa umshado wakho wrong leyo nto uzothini ngempela mangabe lento iyenzeka. You cannot do that udlala ngomshado wakho gele ngoba khona ipost ka Facebook engathi uthi yena bekadlala into ekanjalo because kuleyo post babe ngathi balele lapha benoMonde and you guys I was like okay ngoba ipost le wathi yena waka wadi khomo after the divorce one, after the separation one, wathi waka wadi khomo our first pic together, I love you happy. Sathi kanti wena uthanga nihlukene noMonde and ya co-parenting abantu mabelibona ninonke bangacabanga ukuthi mhlambe njani because no, it's just a co-parenting thing. Hayi uGogo's Cotton now uyadidana you guys. So ke manje mangizizolo sebethi uGogo's Cotton uzela wazoposta ka Instagram stories ngathi awuthi ngiscreenshot ke from udade lana my colleague Umnkosi Entertainment you guys nga screenshot ke ukuthi ubethini uGogo's Cotton into ekanjalo you guys. Kune screenshot lesi angazi lesi usiposte nini you guys. I'm trying to see uthe my screenshot umngane. I think that was 14 minutes ago. Leso sikhathi my screenshot. This was Facebook, I think. Gogo's Cotton athi hi guys, I understand that you know me and my ex-husband together but we have separated and please stop asking him about me. We are co-parenting just fine. Angazi noma lesi ngesishi screenshot or is that time mezothi bahlukene wabuyelana ngaphansi wathina I would like to trade him for I would not trade him for anything. He was a good husband to me. I tried, we failed, but we couldn't carry on. I am not updating for cloud is because I know the pressure. If you see him or me with someone, don't think neither of us is cheating. Like any other couple, we kept on trying until we both understood we can't anymore. We loved each other and of course it hurts, but we are good as parents and not as a couple. One thing about him, he's a good person, So mina lana I'm confused. I'm like, it's in the Gogo's Cotton you guys because I do not know. Awusakwazi separately uyadlala futhi njengaqala noma ungadlali vele nan separately nabuyena yazini like uzodide ngendawo kaGogo's Cotton ngoba you never know when she's joking and you know. But ke bese ama Instagram stories wakhe akusho ukuthi izolo wapostile wabuye wadelete. Angimthanda umuntu obhala ecima ngoba uzosikhulumisa amanga kusasa. Ubhala ecima why ubuye wacima wena so mawubhalile wasowucima so ufuna ukuthi ukusasa uvuka ukuthi abantu banamanga you know. Utheke lapha le khona you guys on the stories njengoba thina sifike sedeletile but ke abangani bethu they managed to screen grab. Okay, yazi ukuthi mawubhala people are already there ba screen grab ekudala. Okay, ubethi yena ke asiye kula ama stories okuthiwa usewadile ngifikile lapho you guys ngasearch ngathi bathe stories angiwatholi. Uthe uGogo's Cotton I won't post my face or scars. I have kids to protect, but I am okay. That means here she was implying ukuthi ube ku GBV situation because uthi I won't post my face or scars. which means i-relationship yabo lapho bathi bayayilungisa yabuye yabheda njalo angazi you guys. Story sesibili wasethi yena abuse is a drug. You end up normalizing it, but again I thank God I'm alive. Hey bathu. So ugogo Skhotheni sounds like she was claiming ukuthi ukhuluma ngendaba ze-abuse, right? So was he uMonde is because she didn't mention any name, right? Akamentionanga igama lomuntu ukuthi hayi umyeni wami beka ngenza kanje, but ukhuluma nge-GBV lana. Okay, wabuye wathi both phones are in 1 month, but not ready to talk about it. Kodwa ke I'm safe, I thank God. Kune screenshot njalo esamafoni aphukile laphana njengoba beshilo ukuthi both phones in 1 month, uchithi wonke omabili aphulwe in 1 month. Bekuliwa what was happening. So here kulesi ubethi yena being in the public eye sometimes is hard. Even when you want to speak about such, you have to think twice because wow, I have seen other ladies being dragged for such. I lived in fear for such a long time. I could literally hear my heart beat very fast every minute. Lord used to wake up, jump during early hours of the morning, thinking someone is attacking me. Kodwa ke I'm okay now. Bathu. Bekusenzekani gogo Skhotheni? Bowushaya bekusenzakani? Kwase kusiba nechat laphana engathi iWhatsApp chat, ngiscreen grabile kodwa angazi ngizoyithatha la ngiyithethe khona you guys ngoba ngathi kubhaliwe lapha phezulu I can't see kodwa ngizofunda la ngibona khona ukuthi the thing is I think ku green part ugogo Skhotheni, ku black part is the person. Angeke ngithi uMonde, I'm just saying is the person kade ekhuluma naye. Utena, but the thing is you treated me bad. You made me look delusional physically. I was just a thing nje kuwe, even making a joke out of it and say I'm lying. Shy, I'm acting up. I personally felt the pain and yes, I want to fix things, but the way you handle it makes me scared, right? Then lo ngapha ke side nabe sethi if you were me and everything turned out the way it did, how would you have handled the situation and your anger towards everything? Look every from side. I do not know lapha Singisi city look every from my side. I do not know. I'm not justifying my actions. Ilo wesilisa ngapha igezo wesilisa and then ngapha lo green asset yena I would have walked away and cry alone, maybe shouted at you like I handled situations previously before. Bese kuba yile chat engapha uthi I personally felt the pain and yes I bonakala lapha ngoba kunesithombe esivalile. Yes I what? Let me see you guys. I do not know, maybe I make things worse, but the way you handled the situation made me scared. Something like that, you guys. Oh, ichatile sifundile. Okay, it's yona. I would have walked away and cry alone, maybe shouted at you like I handled all the situations previously before. I mean, I remember how I would stop you and tell you not to go and stand in front of you or grab your hand. You would say I'm physically abusing you without hitting you. It's a WhatsApp chat, you guys. It's a WhatsApp chat. It's a WhatsApp chat. So angazi lapha ugogo Skhotheni bekakhuluma noMonde noma bekusenzekani, but iyona into enza ukuthi abantu bedinga ukuthi ugogo Skhotheni ubeke abusive relationship. But remember when she came and say her relationship was over that time, mhlambe vele yayi over, you guys. Mhlambe it was over. Wasekuloku kuba nama ukubuyelana mhlambe noku, you know, I do not know, maybe ama ups and downs mhlambe kwaba khona iGBV lapho. You angazi into zabo gogo Skhotheni, you guys, kanti nabo baya abuser, like I didn't know, you guys. And then people were blaming Umuthi in this whole situation. Remember gogo Skhotheni abantu bezala bezokhuluma ukuthi indoda iyadliswa, udlisa kanjeni abantu bathi ya wasebenzisa umuthi endodeni. Khona manje mayisi ku abuse sekunzima. Remember guys, umuntu odlisiwe yazi ukudila nomuntu odlisiwe bathi kunzima ngoba nesikhwele silapho na yonke into angithi umdlisile uthe umfuna la ufuna ahlale la. Yonke into noma uyaphuma uyaphandla uyochama utshwakayi noma uthi uyathi utshwakayi unona libanga noma uthi ukhuluma ngefoni ubulela limanga into ezikanjalo, you guys. Umuntu odlisiwe usuka be inkinga usuka be inkinga, bathi yonke into yenza yazi ukuthi nama consequences. Umuntu odlisa indoda yazi ukuthi kuzoba nama consequences laba khuluma ngayo ka TikTok. But each and everything that you do, you must know ukuthi there are consequences, right? Udlisa umuntu uyazi ukuthi uzobe inkinga kuwena. Asazi ukuthi ngabe ikhona ugogo Skhotheni adlula kukho, because everything is alleged, you guys, ngoba kuthi ubhale wacima. Angimbona ngebhala, ngimbona ngecima. Sengiscreen grabber kwabanye because ngiyabona bethi ugogo Skhotheni guys uphostile kuma stories wakho uphostitwe kanje waqede wacima. Sesifika thina sithi siya kwagogo Skhotheni usecimile. Kodwa ngoba bangani banawo lawo ma stories you guys sakwazi ukuthi siwathathe from abangani. So angazi you guys, I think she went through a GBV situation. So asingabadlisini you guys, since umuthi is also blamed here ukuthi akuyona yini le mithi enibadlisa yona basuke babe zinkinga. Ayi akunzima you guys. Udaba lukagogo Skhotheni you guys laphana wabuye washare kudala ethi bahlukene nomonde bayacoparenta, wabuye wasenda njalo izithombe bebonke bemuncuzana. Manje thina sisazi namanje mase khuluma ke ngama GBV kuningi ngogogo Skhotheni, kuningi you guys. Let's hope she's okay. All the best to her because she's only human you guys, and GBV sonke siyazi ukuthi wrong nje, wrong. So whether ngumfazi noma yindoda that is going through GBV ku wrong, noma ngumfazi you are abusing your man, is totally wrong. Kanjani sibe sithandana ngapha sibe siyana nangezandla into ekanjalo simosha nama iPhone 15. Uyayibona ukuthi njani le iPhone into ekanjalo you guys. Ko dwa ke sizothini you guys, indaba zabantu singazazi sithi asikhulume ngazo ngoba phela mazipostiwe you guys. If you post something to the public, it is the public matter, okay? And sikhona thina sengumphakathi sizokhuluma. Thank you so much you guys for watching this video. I feel sorry for gogo Skhotheni. I hope she's okay. And yeah man, mangabe umshado sekunzima gogo ayiphuma, mangabe sekunjena sekuphuka amafoni phela sifuna ukuze kuphuke wena, you know, phuma mangabe sekunzima. That's my own opinion, that's my thought. Thank you so much for uyibuke le video, ungakhohlwa ukuthi like ubuye subscribe ukuze ungaphutheli izindaba esiza nazo ngesikhathi sizayifaka le notification bell on, and then I meet you again ku video yami elandelayo. Bye.